Hello, this is Claire, your personal AI teaching assistant. In this video, I am going to show you how to share the interactive assessment or worksheet you generated to collect results and generate report. After you create interactive materials for your students, such as formative assessments and worksheets, you can share them in two ways. First, click Sharing. From here, if you have a colleague AI classroom and would like to use the interactive within the classroom assessment feature, you can select Create a Classroom Assessment. Otherwise, you can share via a link with your students without needing a colleague AI classroom. In both cases, your students can directly input their answers within colleague AI, so I can generate reports for you. Teaching multiple periods or want to collect results from multiple groups? No problem. You can use Create a New Share link to provide different groups with their own access. You can also set an expiration date for each additional link, if desired. For each link, Colleague AI generates a separate report, allowing you to view the learning outcomes for all of your classes.